Welcome to Science in a Minute.
Hi guys, welcome to Science in a Minute. So for today's video, I will talk about red blood cells. Let's go. But before I discuss, I have a question for you. What is the main purpose of the red blood cell? It is A, to fight infections, B, to carry oxygen, C, to clot blood, and letter D, to transport hormones. So you have a 5 seconds to choose your answer. Now, if you have your answer, I will reveal it to you. The answer is letter B, carry oxygen. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, a protein that binds to oxygen and transports it from the lungs to the rest of the body. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the human body. Understanding how these parts work together gives us a deeper appreciation for our own anatomy. Stay curious and keep discovering the wonders within you.